Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Peaq token on Binance Alpha. As you know, Peaq just got listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video. So first, you can open your Binance app and don't forget to sign in. After you sign in, you can go to your search bar here at the top, and then you can search for Peaq. You can search it and you will find Peaq on Alpha. You can click it, click this one, and then this is the chart. It's not bad, I guess, so yeah. If you want to see the details, you can click info here at the top and you will find the 24-hour high, low, the volume, and also the circulating supply. You can also click the social media links. You can check their social media like X or Telegram, and you can visit their website also. So yeah. If you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here at the bottom, and then you can choose limit order by putting the amount of the price here. Then you can just choose the amount, and you can buy it by limit, or you can buy by instant buy. You can swipe your token using the T or other to swap to Peaq token. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.